This is me, Sharon Baby. For today's vlog, guys, ay noong vanang week ako. Hindi ko ito i-vlog, guys. Because, guys, this is my first project na sinabihan. We're gonna be late, guys. Kaya magmadali na kami pumunta doon sa school namin, guys. Dito pala yung school ko, guys. Inside the Alexandra. Here at Sampot, guys. Kasama pala namin, guys, si Nangnang Erika at si Ate Hana. Di pa kami nakagawn, guys. Kasi magdadance muna daw kami. Pagdating namin here, guys, nagsisimula na po sila. Nagdance pa pala yung teacher namin, guys. Nandyan si Teacher Vanessa, Teacher Joanna, Teacher Joyce, Teacher Rhoda. And guys, look who's here. Nandito sila, Papa, guys. Manonood daw sila. Pati si Mimi, guys. And Tatar Arvin. Even Tito Justin, guys, is here. Thank you, family, sa pangpunta sa first pageant ko here at school. After namin mag-dance, guys, pinagpalit na ako ni Teacher Bane. Hindi na pala, guys, nag-get si mami ko. Taga-makeup ko, guys. Kasi, guys, baby pa lang daw ako. She don't like makapal na makeup, guys. Pero ang totoo, guys, ayun na lang gumasto. Kaya ayan, guys, si mami ko na lang nag-ayos sa akin. Tapos hanap siya ni mimi ko. That's it, guys. Tapos na akong ayusin ni mami ko. Nag-practice na ako, guys, kung paano yung gagawin ko. Buti na lang, guys, Saturday yung vanang wika namin, guys. Kaya nakapunta sila, Papa. Nakailang practice ako dyan, guys. Hindi naman ako kakabahan dyan, guys. Pero si mami ko, guys, ang kaba ni mami ko, hanggang pampagga, guys. Baka daw kasi, guys, I get apak-apak my gown. Nag-picture pala kami, guys, ng friend ko, si Anya. Sayang nga, guys, hindi kami nakapag-picture. Danyala, guys. Nabisi na din kasi, guys, sa oras na yon. After my pageant, guys, dumating na si daddy ko. Kasi, guys, meron kaming order na lechon sa mismong vanang wika namin. Kaya ayan, guys, umabol na lang si daddy ko para sa awarding, guys. Thank you, Daddy Melvin, sa pagpunta ng vanang wika ko.
G. Madriaga.
And this is it na, guys. Awarding na ng nursery para sa contest ng pag-color. At alam nyo ba, guys, kung nanalo? Alam nyo ba, guys, hindi effect ni mami ko na akong winner. Kasi, guys, lagpas ako mag-color. Pero, guys, nag-practice ako mabuti para ako manalo. After that awarding, guys, i-award naman, guys, ang Lakambini 2025 ng Free LM.
Princess Riley G. Madriaga. Palakpakan naman po natin si Princess.
Yes, guys! Naget natin ang award ng Lakambini 2025. Grabe, guys! Very happy, guys! Kasi first pageant ko ito. Tapos nanalo pa ako. Kaya thank you so much, Mommy. Also, guys, I would like to thank you, Wawa, for my gown. You always support me, Wawa. And all my kaartihan. I love you, Wawa. The next time, thank you so much, Mandragon family, Nangnang Erika, and Ate Hana. And also to my daddy. I love you. You're all the best. O siya, guys, hanggang here na lang. Salamat sa papanood. Don't forget to share my video, guys, and follow my feed. Ay, mahal ko kayo. Alpasan.